Hello, welcome back to the desert. No, we're not playing in the desert. Let's play with sand. With a speed coil. I know why we have a speed coil, because today we're running from the rake. The scary American urban legend. I heard he breaks into your house and he poops on you. It's not that scary, but it's very storytelling. No one has ever told that story. Whoa! Music! Whoa! Bad music! Oh! Start off with a jump scare. I'm gonna turn that down because that really hurt my ears because I'm wearing headphones right now because my computer doesn't have a computer microphone, so I had to buy a headset with a computer microphone. So yeah, and it had to be USB because that's just how my screen recorder works. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Come on, homeboy. Don't kill me. Okay, not that bad a vault. He wasn't even touching me. What was that? Not getting that scared, I thought I'd go have to change my pants. But. And you know what change my pants means. Poop my pants. Let's just, down the steps. Okay, so you heard that very weird noise. That was a noise you could actually hear. I actually meant to make the noise. I don't trust the volume because he's right there. If you can see, he is right there. I'm gonna reset my character. Yes. And I think I'm gonna. God, should we go down? I sort of don't. He's right there. He just got closer. Carlito! Run, Carlito! Run! Run from the Reiki boy. Homeboy! What? I make that noise so much. Mommy, come change my diaper. Now the pepper rise. What? He's a stalker. He's stalking me. Stop stalking me, homeboy. No, stop. Stop. He just had hair. He just looks like he's a Wolverine. Like, yeah. I'm just gonna make a run for it. Literal Carlito. He's a stalker. He's stalking me. He's just sitting at the corner stalking me. Run from Carlito. No. I like cereal. I don't want to go down. I wish I could just this video. I make that noise because I don't want to tell you which word I'm using. Because of the well, I'm very important in ears. I'm a little too scared. And if you want more, then comment down below that you want more. If this is the first video you've seen by me, please do subscribe and like the video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.